The Canon error code 1300 indicates a paper jam. This issue arises from several common causes, including overloading the paper tray, using paper of varying thickness, utilizing the wrong type of paper for the printer, and dust accumulation. To resolve the error, it is essential to avoid overloading the paper tray. This can be achieved by pausing the machine, removing excess paper, reloading an appropriate amount, and then resuming the printing process. Using paper of a consistent, ideal thickness, as recommended by the manufacturer, is also crucial. If the paper thickness is inconsistent, sorting through the papers to remove any inconsistent ones can help. Additionally, using the correct type of paper, as specified by the manufacturer, is vital to prevent jamming. Regularly cleaning the machine's surface to prevent dust from reaching the rollers is also necessary. By implementing these solutions, the Canon error code 1300 can be effectively resolved.